Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about on how we can use the jobber for junk removal and how the whole process works. So in the moment when you're going to be in jobber, I will try to make it like quick and effective. First thing first, go to settings and set up your own account where you're going to have the company settings like the phone number, website URL, and all these like important things primarily that you're going to have in invoices. Tax settings right here, and also the country. And then you're gonna have the business profile where you want to set up also like more important things like about the policies, services, terms and conditions, and privacy policy, and like even like adding the logo here. And then you're gonna have the products and services. So for the products and services, you're gonna have like all the services that you can add. Now these services you can also add directly with the within the like the for example jobs or quotes. And then you can have the custom fields. And the last thing that I want to share with you right here is jobber payments. So we want to also connect it to your bank account. So directly when they can like pay for the invoice, you will get the money to your bank account. Now, for the next thing we want to show you is that you want to also come here on the bottom left where you're going to have requests and bookings. And here when you're going to be, you can have a form where people have like requests and they can like write. And I just want to show you how it like looks like. Preview. And this is like where they're going to like fill the details. This is something that you can actually have on your website. Now, another thing are bookings. So for the bookings, you can have like the bookable services, and this is like our experts will come to access your needs. And this is the service that you can actually add. And you can have like 30 minutes maximum drive time between, and I can like copy the link and show you how it looks like. So this is something that you also want to check out for yourself, like select the services, and you're going to click add. Okay, this is the ad that we want. And then they're going to like add a contact information. And this is something that you can actually have on your website, right? Or like a link that you would like send. And then automatically when they are going to fill it out, you are going to have it here in requests. So automatically the client is going to be added when they are going to fill the details that you want. Now I don't like, you need to check out for yourself. I don't know what location you got, or like you want to even check the competitors, what kind of things there are, like if you're new in the market. And for the clients right here, you would have the client. Now you can add the client. So let's say you're going to call someone, they're going to say like, okay, I'm like cool. And you're going to add like the title, first name, last name, phone number. But when you're going to have it on the website, you would have automatically this client in clients. Now for the request, you are going to have the requests that are going to fill it out. Now, but also what you can do, you can create your own new request. And here you would add like a title. You can select the client. But this is primarily what will be done directly when they are going to fill the details for your website. And then you're going to have also the quotes here. So for the quotes, this is something they're going to send. So there is going to be a request. And let's say I'm going to have a new quote. And let's say you can have a template, but let's say you're going to just like switch from request to a quote. And then you can like quote them like, okay, this is what I'm going to like offer them. And then the client message, the contract disclaimer. And you can click here, save quote. I'm going to choose a client here, save quote. And right here, you can like send the email. Now, in the moment when you're going to send the email, thank you for asking us to quote your project. The quote is, if you have any questions or concerns, regards. So you can like call them, okay, I'm just like sending you right now an email. You can check it out. And they're going to say, yeah, okay, I'm good. So you can click here, approved. And I can convert it to job. So in the moment when you're going to convert it to job, like what you actually have there is that you're going to have like the job, that okay, this is the client, the job type, and you have like, okay, the schedule when we can do it. You can like message with them, let's say like February, start time, end time, okay, does not repeat. And then you can like save job here. And then when you're going to have save job, what you can do is that you can email booking confirmation. So you can like send it to them right now, okay? And now in the moment when you're gonna send it to them, and you're gonna have like, you can click here, close job. Okay, one pass visit. Now then what you can do is that you can like create invoice out of it. And that means is that you're gonna create invoice for the specific job that was done. Does it make sense? Where you're gonna have issue date, the payment due, and also the invoice subject, where you're gonna have the product and service and the client view and everything. And then when like everything fills out based on the job that you like provided, now the next thing what you can do is you can click save here and send an email, save and send an email, right? I can click here, save and save email. And now thank you for your business that the invoice total 1,400. And then you can like attach the invoice and you can send the email and they can pay for it. Now what you can of course do, you can connect it to your bank account, or you can collect it by your own that when I would like, you can like edit it if you want. Look at that, and I can click update and collect the payment. And on a new payment here, you can like collect it, right? So this is something that you can actually do, and this is something that would possibly work for you, that you can collect, let's say, through the cash, etc., and you're gonna have it directly in Jobber. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hope this video provided a little bit of value on how you can use it, and have a great day and goodbye.